Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of AD. Advertisement. For example, the latest television lager ad. American pronunciation. AD. AD. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. AD. Say. AD. AD means advertisement. AD. AD. AD origin. Abbreviation. Late 18th century. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She's actually appearing on television insurance ads at the moment. Now, repeat after me. She's actually appearing on television insurance ads at the moment. The second practice. Depression is talked about, written about, has ads about it on television. Now, repeat after me. Depression is talked about, written about, has ads about it on television.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.